In this video, we're going to show you some unbelievable stock, like maybe one of my best stock drops ever. This is a weatherproof cotton canvas ghost piece. This is a shadow project, 4-pocket military style quilted jacket. And it's absolutely beautiful. These are our two David TC down puffer coats. The material on these coats is absolutely outstanding. What is happening, boys, and welcome back to the channel. This week we've got an absolute monster stock. I think I'm gonna have to split it up in 2 videos because it's actually too much stock. I think I've got about 80 new items here, which is just nuts for one video. You'll be here for like an hour. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna split it up into 2 videos. If you've been seeing on the website, it's clobberisland.co.uk. Have a little look on there. Some of the new stock on there is absolutely incredible. And by the time this video goes out, most of it will be on there. Some of it might still be going on the next few days or so. A massive thank you to everyone who's been subscribing to the channel lately. I'm going to try and obviously upload as much as I can. It's just been a bit manic, and January has been very, very quiet, so there's already been too much to do. But now I've got some really great bits. I'm going to make some cool videos and stuff like that. Some of the stock here I haven't even managed to look at yet. It's still in the box. So normally I hang it up, and after I've taken photos of it, done all my checks, all that kind of stuff. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably just going to bring it straight onto the video. I'll let you know in the next video what it's going to be like, so we'll worry about that in the next video. In this video, we're going to show you some unbelievable stock, like maybe one of my best stock drops ever. Potentially. I think it could be. Some absolute beasts in it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So to start off with, this is a shadow project, 4-pocket military style quilted jacket. On the inside, it's quite thick. It's got like the quilting in it. And it's like this off black colour. And it's absolutely bloody beautiful. This is in size XXL. I think it was 2013. The sizing was just as off then as it is off now. This is 25 pit to pit, which to be fair could fit a 2XL if you're a skinnier 2XL, or it could fit a bigger XL. And obviously with a jacket like this, you might want to wear a hoodie under it, or you might want to wear just a t-shirt. Depends how you want to wear your garms. But yeah, this is really nice. I'm a large and it fits me not too bad. So it does look big, don't get me wrong, but it's not too bad. But this piece did sell this morning to one of our very loyal customers. So I'm very happy this is going to a good home, and it's in lovely condition, and I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to wear it for this video because I just want to show you guys how fucking beautiful some of the products are. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't know where I'm going to start. It's a bit mad. See, I'll get a bit confused out of what I've shown you, so I'm going to just show you the new stuff that's come in. If you've seen it before, it won't take long. So up first, we've got this CP Company pink quarter zip jumper. This is in an extra large 23.5 pit to pit, and it's in lovely condition. Guys, I'm really excited for this video, man. I think you guys are going to be so excited by some of the stock we've got in this week. It's amazing. I'm starting you off nice and slow though. So we've got a navy stony jumper. This is in lovely condition, XL 25 pit to pit. Up next, this black nylon overshirt with the silver zips. And we've got this in XL and 2XL. They are brand new with tags, and they're going to look really nice if you're going to like a party, you want to wear over a t-shirt, maybe the perfect overshirt. I'm a big fan of black personally. Up next, we've got this CP Company Chrome R, basically nylon overshirt in lovely condition, size XL. I think this one's 24 pit to pit. Then we got this 2XL stony like track zip top. So it's obviously like the cotton material, nice to wear under a jacket or under a coat. Definitely keep you warm. That higher neck there as well. Black, lovely condition. I think that's 25 pit to pit or 24.5, something like that. Then we got these Ghost cargos. These are regular fit, but they're 33 waist, and you know Ghost stuff comes up quite big. So although it's 33 waist, I actually think these will fit a 34 waist quite nicely. They retail for $575, and I think we're going to do them on the website for about $320, something like that. Brand new with tags, really, really nice, beautiful color, that kind of khaki shade, really, really nice. Big fan of them. Then 3XL, we've got this turtleneck. This is knitwear. It is very, very soft, like cashmere kind of cotton, very, very soft. Lovely smart turtleneck. That's a 3XL, that one. Then we've got this beautiful beige chunky knit button up with the zip. It's got this nice little detail in here on the collar where you can undo that, pull that round so it's nice and tight around your neck. Absolutely stunning. In a 2XL, 24.5 pit to pit, but obviously it's got quite a lot of stretch in it. So you know the knitwear can kind of fit either perfectly or it can fit really awkwardly. It depends on your body type. which potentially could mean if you're an XL, this might fit you fine, because if you want it to be a little bit looser or something like that, could fit an XL quite nicely. Then we got this long sleeve Stony t-shirt. This is in beautiful condition, size large, 22 pit to pit. Up next, we got this electric blue garment dyed micro yarn with Primaloft TC in, and this one's a large, but it's 24 pit to pit. So I personally think this will fit an XL a lot nicer. It does come up a little bit big, but look at the colour on that. That's absolutely stunning. Really nice lightweight piece there. But obviously it's still got the Primaloft, so it's still going to be quite warm. Then we got these off black Stone Island joggers, and these are like a charcoal kind of colour. XL, brand new with tags, so they'll fit a 36 waist. Up next, one of my favourite pieces of the stock drop, can't lie to you. This is a weatherproof cotton canvas ghost piece, and you see it's in like a khaki colour. It's thick on the inside. You've got your buttons to cover up the zip, insulated inside as well. It's got a button up hood where you can roll it up and then button it up, so you don't have to have the hood, but I think it looks a lot better with the hood. This is basically brand new with tags. It does have a strong smell of nice aftershave, to be fair, but yeah, I spoke to my supplier. He said he tried it on, he was going to keep it, but in the end it didn't quite fit him, so he didn't. So I'm selling it a lot cheaper than I'd sell a brand new one for, but this ain't been worn, and if it has been worn, it's been worn literally once. So yeah, it's basically good as new. That's a medium, 23.5 pit to pit, fits large really nicely. Like I say, I'm tempted to keep this bad boy. We'll have to see how January goes. Up next, we got a blue nylon Rasso TC. This piece did actually sell on eBay, but it didn't fit the guy, so he sent it back. So we've got this piece back. It's got now the eBay authentication thing there, so you know, guaranteed authentic. We already guarantee authenticity, but yeah, it's cool. And then this is a nylon Rasso TC, an XL 24.5 pit to pit. Absolute beauty of an overcoat. Then we got this absolutely stunning skin touch nylon TC in dark navy, 24 pit to pit. And this one is brand new with tags. They're wind resistant and water resistant. They're very versatile jackets. It's getting warm in here, man. Also, what I'm wearing here, this is a knitwear black Stony jumper, and it's XL 23 pit to pit, I believe, but I'm a large and it fits me really nicely. So with the knitwear, you might have to size up a little bit. Like for example, I'm a large, I'd buy an XL knitwear, that kind of thing. Up next, we've got this green overshirt. This one's size medium. I think it's about 21.8 pit to pit, just under 22 pit to pit. Like I said, that should fit a medium pretty perfectly, but it's ripstop material, so it's kind of a little bit thicker. Yeah, really nice, cool design on that one. Then we got this thick woolly type cotton, like half cotton, half wool, that kind of, yes, it's kind of like a thick woolly jumper. It's really nice. It's in like a khaki brownie kind of color. Medium size, 23.5 pit to pit. I think it'll fit a large. Yeah, that's fitting me, so I think that will fit a large absolutely fine. Like I say, ghost pieces do come up quite big. This one's got a tiny little top layer pinhole in it, just there, but it doesn't go all the way through. It's literally just on the top layer. Up on my finger there, it doesn't go all the way through. This is basically a Supima cotton twill, you know, the black cotton Supima jackets that Stone Island sell. It's just a lighter version of that, so it doesn't have the inside of the label where it would say what it is, but it's still Supima cotton. I think it's just more of a lightweight version, so it's just not as thick. It's still pretty good. It's more like a hooded overshirt, and I think they sell for about £530. Obviously with the floor, I'm going to do this for about 250 quid for a brand new with tags black Stony jacket. You could easily wear it as a jacket. It's got pockets on the front and stuff. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative to the Supima cotton twill jackets, this might be the one for you. This is an extra large. I think it's 25 pit to pit or 24.5. Up next, we've got the nylon metal in Econol regenerated nylon with Primaloft TC. Basically a nylon overshirt with Primaloft insulation in it. So it is more of a jacket than an overshirt, but it's the easiest way to explain it to some people. It's got zip pockets and stuff like that. It'll be keeping you warm. This one's black and it is a 3XL. Then we got some more beige cargos. These ones are LO fit, which means they're loose fits. They're a little bit more of a baggier style. So these are 36 waist. I definitely think if you're 37, potentially even 38, this might be all right. I'm pretty sure I would have put the measurement across when it was laid flat on the website. So if you are interested, go over to the website, have a little look, and I'll put the measurement when it's laid flat across. Say these are 36 waist. If I laid them across flat on the floor, I'd expect to see about 18.5 pit to pit. Because that means that when it's around your waist, it comes out to 37, which does actually add up to 36 when it's around. It's just when it's flat, it adds that extra 0.5 each side. But yeah, for example, I had a pair of Stone Island cargos come in the other day. They were 34 34 waist, but they were coming in at 18.5 when laid down, so they fit a 36. Sold them to one of my customers and he said they fit him perfectly and he was a 36. With these Ghost ones, these are coming out at 19 when laid flat, so that would obviously equate to 38. So I think 37 waist would be better. So if you're sort of just not quite 38 but you're a bit bigger than 36, these will be really good for you because obviously they're loose fit as well. And up next we got some 32 waist Teller beige stony cargos. These are the ones that everyone wants with the cuffed ankles, zip on the pockets, the thicker quality ones. Yeah, these are 32 waist beige, beautiful.
Alright guys, I'm going to have to stop the video there, literally because I'm editing it right now and it's working out to be over 20 minutes, and I think that's just unfair to put that long of a video on you guys right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release this one today and then I'm going to release the next part of it tomorrow. So you'll get today and tomorrow 2 videos. There will still be another video with that extra bit of stock. That'll probably be next week now. So yeah, sorry about that, but make sure you hit like on the video, subscribe to my channel for the next video that's going to be coming out, and yeah, there's just too much stock to show you guys in one video. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.